Hi guys, I'm Fabio D'Avenia, detailer for Labocosmetica, and this is our chemist Giacomo.
Hi, everybody.
What are we going to see today in this video? We're going to see the evolution of Derma with Derma 2.0. Now, Giacomo will briefly explain to us what has changed compared to the previous formula.
Exactly. As Fabio said, Derma Cleaner 2.0 is the natural evolution of Derma Cleaner. In this new evolution, we have included a bactericide and virucidal activity tested active ingredient. The active ingredient has passed the strict virucidal activity tests, such as 14.476.
Therefore, Giacomo, before we had only Derma Cleaner, that is, a leather cleaner. Today, we can have one single product with a double action, so cleaning and decontamination action against pathogens.
Exactly, just like you said.
While for the rest, Giacomo, its foam, its fragrance remain the same.
They remained unchanged. Exactly.
Therefore, we have the same product with the addition of this decontaminating action.
Exactly.
What kind of tests are we going to perform, guys, on these Porsche leather seats? Here, we're going to simulate two types of cleaning. One ordinary, therefore, a cleaning where the product is sprayed onto the surface, and then the use of microfiber cloth. Then we're going to simulate an extraordinary cleaning, where I'm going to help myself with a brush for the mechanical action. Therefore, with a strong mechanical action. In this way, we're going to see the action of Derma 2.0 in both situations. Perfect. After this short introduction, let's get to work.
The tested bactericidal action of Derma Cleaner 2.0 can also eliminate bad odors. It can also solve typical mold problems in classic cars. Therefore, we can use Derma Cleaner 2.0 during final cleaning. After this step, we can finally say that the car is purified. Let's remember that the threshold of 50 RLU identifies a sterile environment.
All right, Giacomo, we've just finished the tests. Tell us about the response.
So, as you can see, we started from a quite high value of contamination, and we have reached a rather good value at around 1000 by using the product. Therefore, Derma Cleaner 2.0 in combination with the microfiber cloth.
Therefore, one simple spray onto the surface and a wipe of microfiber cloth.
Exactly. This proves how effective the use of the product is, even with a simple upkeep operation with the microfiber cloth. Whereas, as Fabio rightly said, leather is a very porous support. Therefore, by using the bristles of the brush, we can go much deeper. And by using the brush, in fact, we have obtained a really good value, around 200 of decontamination. Therefore, a really good value. It means that the surface is very clean.
We've been able to wipe out 40 years of dirt, because it's likely that this car has never been cleaned by looking at the RLU values of the surface. We've wiped out 40 years of dirt simply with a product and some tools.
Exactly.
All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Greetings from me and Giacomo. See you next time. Bye, guys.
Bye.